Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a quick saving tip with you. Produce can go bad in the pantry if you don't use it up fast enough. I'm going to show you how I save green onions by cutting them up and freezing them. This way, I always have green onions on hand without having to throw them in the trash. Let's see how it's done. I understand that you may have this problem too. I love green onions, but I don't use them every day. I often use them in recipes, especially salads. I also like to sprinkle them on baked potatoes or anything else. They give a nice little oniony flavor. However, sometimes a package of green onions has 2 bunches, and half of them will go bad. They will become smelly and unpleasant. You may think you still have green onions in the fridge because you just bought them, but when you check again, you will have to throw them away because they are spoiled. Although green onions are not that expensive, is it worth it if you have to throw away half of the green onions you bought? Over time, you will have to pay double for them. I have found a way to preserve green onions and save money. Here is how I do it. These are green onions when I just bought them, they are still very fresh. First, cut off the base. Do not throw away this base. Cut a piece of plastic bottle, you can put it in a glass cup. Put the base of the onion in like this. Then pour water into it. After 1 week, the base of the onion will grow like this, and you can cut them and put them in dishes. Or if you have a garden, take this base out to plant. After cutting off the base, we need to wash the remaining green onions thoroughly before storing them. Rinse with clean water. After washing, add 2 tablespoons of salt to soak the green onions. This will help remove toxic substances on the green onions. Here are the green onions after cleaning. Method 1. Store with plastic wrap. Wait for the green onions to dry completely using standard plastic wrap. Use plastic wrap to tightly wrap the green onions without leaving any gaps. Then put them in the refrigerator to store. Normally, if we put green onions directly in the refrigerator, they will quickly dry out due to dehydration. Using plastic wrap tightly like this will help the green onions not lose water. The green onions will no longer participate in metabolism. Therefore, they will last longer. After 1 to 2 months, they will still be green and fresh. Method 2. Store in the freezer of the refrigerator. I know you don't need to see how I cut green onions, but in fact, just cut them. You can cut the green onions thinly or thickly, depending on your needs. Some people only use the green part, while others only use the white part. As for me, I use both because I paid for them and want to use them all. Scallions are great in soups. A little scallion on chicken soup adds a fresh flavor. I put the scallion in a Ziploc bag and then seal it. Then I put them in the freezer. This is the easiest way to preserve scallion. You can also add clean water to the scallion Ziploc bag. Do you know why I do this? This way, if the power goes out for a short time, the scallion will not spoil because the ice in the bag will keep the scallion fresh and uninterrupted. These are scallion in the freezer. When needed, just take them out and sprinkle them on food, very convenient. And these are scallion in a Ziploc bag. I add clean water to it. When needed, leave it out for a while to let the ice melt and then you can use it. This method is also quite simple. If you store it this way, you will have green onions all year round, because they keep green onions for a long time. You may think it's okay to pay $25 for a 2-pack of green onions, but if you throw away half of them, you are actually spending twice as much. Try to calculate how many packs of these you have to buy each year and throw away half. That's exactly how much money you are putting in the trash, which no one wants to do. Hopefully this tip will help you save a little money by freezing green onions and other produce. I do the same with onions, bell peppers, and homegrown hot peppers. I have more peppers in my freezer than anything else. Hope you try this and find it useful. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a like. Welcome to my channel, newbies. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the great, easy hacks we feature on this channel. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you start saving money by freezing green onions. Good luck and see you in the next video.